Thank you, Professor Martinez. Now I would like to invite Dr. Ebinte Niraj for delivering the vote of thanks.
Respected Director Sir, Registrar, Professor in Charge, Guest of Honor, my dear colleagues, research scholars, and dear students. It is my honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks to all those who helped to make this event happen. Our heartfelt thanks to Professor Oscar Sanuan Martinez, who has agreed to deliver the keynote address and who's with us as the guest of honor for this conference. On behalf of the organizing committee of ICIT IIT 21, I also sincerely thank our respected director, Sir Professor Rajiv B. Tharaskar, who graced us with his encouraging presence and always a guiding light in organizing this event. Thank you, sir, for sharing with us your words of wisdom and keeping us charged and motivated for organizing this event. Our registrar, Dr. Radhakrishnan M., who is a strong pillar in the upbringing of IIIT Kottayam, who has always motivated us and always gave remedies and solutions even to the most complex administrative problems we faced in organizing this event. So on behalf of all the committees of ICIT IIT 21, we express our sincere gratitude. We are also grateful to our professor in charge, Professor Mohanan P. Sir, who always guides us in the right direction and adds more value to any process with his vast experience. Thank you, sir. Our high appreciation and deepest gratitude to all the session chairs who has agreed to spend their valuable time in these 2 days. Also, on behalf of the organizing committee, we would like to thank all faculty and PhD scholars who were involved in the various processes, such as paper reviewing with respect to publicity, the arrangement of this online event, etc. And special thanks to Dr. Bibel Benifa and Dr. Arun Sarojos, who has put a lot of effort with respect to making the papers ready for IEEE submission, and also their active involvement and willingness to take on completion of the task beyond their comfort zones. The conference would not have been a reality without the unconditional help from our IT support team. We sincerely thank all the staff members who are directly or indirectly involved in organizing this particular virtual event. And in addition to that, I'd like to mention one thing. ICIT IIT 21 had its own paper submission platform developed using open source framework. Our PhD scholar, Mr. Basil Sunny, definitely deserves a special mention in configuring the portal and bringing it up. I'm sure this portal will be of great use, not only for this conference, but also for any future conference at IIIT Kottayam. Our profound gratitude to IEEE Kerala section for being the technical partner for this conference and also giving us valuable suggestions at every stage of this particular conference. And also our heartfelt thanks to Dr. Divya, who agreed to compare this event. And in addition to that, I once again thank all my colleagues, well-wishers, and everyone who have graced this occasion with your presence. So we look forward for a fruitful technical session and also an opportunity to grow our professional network through this conference. Wish you all the very best and thank you.